This meeting is being recorded.
Hello, teacher. My name is Vito Fane Ratuli. Topic, Pensetotimo. I am going to explain to use example exercise look. Estudo Pensetotimo tense affirmative for subject plus am is a plus verb plus IE. He is voting negative for subject plus up is R plus not plus verb plus IAE. He is not voting. The negative for up is R plus subject plus verb plus IAE. He is voting. The negative for so up straight. I am. Yes, you are. Yes, they are. Yes, she is. Yes, he isn't. No, I will. No, I you aren't. No, I not. No, he isn't. No, he isn't. You say action happening now. The polarity sequential due to plans. Simple. Yon is tuning at the moment. My mother is eating water now. Are they voting is office today? Yes, yes, are. Exercise. What is they doing? She is laughing. What are they doing? They are learning. Look one more where at IAE. What she looting? Look two. Eight. We I share I to Y. They are IAE. The Danny. Look three. One syllable and we vowel plus consonant double they last letter the a I shopping to tuning. Adiós, teacher. Adiós.